Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to deploy your project to Vercel. First, make sure your project is ready. Your code should already be uploaded to a Git repository like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. If your project is not there yet, upload it before moving to the next step. Now open the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the option that says Add New and then click on Project. This will start the process of creating a new deployment. Next, you need to connect your Git account. Choose the provider where your project is stored, then allow access if asked. After that, you will see a list of your repositories. Select the project you want to deploy. Vercel will now prepare your project. In most cases, it automatically detects the framework you are using and applies the correct settings. If your project needs environment variables, such as API keys, you can add them in this step. Once everything looks good, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start building and deploying your project. This usually takes a few minutes. Also, every time you push new changes to your repository, Vercel will automatically redeploy your site. That's the advantage of using a Git repository. Thanks for watching.